pleasant good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jennifer Labisores, 40 years old, from Philippines, and ex-abroad in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 10 years in only one employer. I have also experience in taking care of newborn babies, toddlers, and teens. I am also good in doing household works such as cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, and marketing. I am a trustworthy person, honest, easygoing person, caring, loving, and when it comes to kids, I really prioritize them. Don't worry, ma'am and sir. If you hired me and give me a chance to work with your wonderful and happy family, I will do everything and anything to do all my responsibilities. And also, I promise you that you will not regret of hiring me, ma'am and sir. I am looking forward to work with you soon. Keep safe and God bless, ma'am and sir. Thank you so much.